Hey everyone, Nico here at Guelph Volkswagen with some amazing offers during our Autobahn for All Plus sales event. This month, you can jump into a new 2021 Tiguan at 0% financing for up to 60 months with complimentary 4 years, 60,000 kilometers prepaid maintenance, and a $750 lease or finance bonus on the new Tiguan United Edition, or a $500 lease and finance bonus on any Golf or Tiguan alongside the prepaid maintenance as well. And if you are looking for a bigger SUV, take advantage of our $2,000 bonus cash on the 2021 Atlas, or 0% financing up to 36 months, or 0.99% up to 60 months. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call or shop fully contactless online at gvw.ca.